Installing a rear I/O module. Align the screw holes on the rear I/O module with the screw holes on the bottom of the node, and then lower the module and slightly push it toward the rear of the node. Fasten the 3 screws to secure the rear I/O module. Secure the grounding cable onto the rear I/O module standoff with a screw. Connect the cable between the rear I/O module and the system board. If necessary, reinstall the PCIe riser assembly in the node and reconnect the required PCIe cables to the system board. Reinstall the fan cage in the node and reconnect all the fan cables to the system board. If necessary, reinstall the internal adapter bracket and reconnect all the required cables to the internal adapter. If necessary, reinstall the GPU air duct. Make sure that all the required cables are routed and connected correctly, and then reinstall the top cover. Reinstall the node into the chassis.